Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to make Windows 10 easier to hear. Whether you have hearing difficulties or simply want to enhance your audio experience, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started first. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, go to Settings. You can find the Settings option in the Start menu. Once you've clicked on Settings, the Settings menu will open. Look for and click on Ease of Access from the available options. Within the Ease of Access menu, you'll find various accessibility settings. Click on Audio to access the audio-related options. Great. Now, you're in the audio settings. Here, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Turn on Mono Audio. This feature is specifically designed to make audio easier to hear for individuals with hearing impairments. To enable mono audio, simply switch on the toggle switch by clicking on it. By turning on mono audio, Windows 10 will combine the left and right audio channels into a single channel. This ensures that all audio is played through both speakers or headphones, making it easier to hear and understand. And just like that, you've successfully made Windows 10 easier to hear. It's as easy as following these simple steps. Remember, this feature can greatly enhance your audio experience, especially if you have hearing difficulties. You'll be able to enjoy a clearer and more balanced sound output. If you ever want to revert back to the default audio settings, simply switch off the Turn on Mono Audio toggle, and that wraps up our tutorial on how to make Windows 10 easier to hear. We hope you found this information helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.